Yan. We're now going to try the baking soda gender test. I'm 8 weeks now exactly. And, yan, sabi, baking soda, no specific measurement to. Nilagay ko lang. And then, nakawiwi na din ako. Sabi, kapag bubula, parang beer, boy daw. Pag walang nangyari, as it is lang, girl. So, ayan. Try na natin. Sorry kung medyo gross yung wiwi. Pasensya na. And 1, 2, 3. Ay. Anong nangyari? So, malamang girl. Ganun ba yun? Wait lang. Wait. Girl. Girl. Okay. So, I think this is a girl. Let's see. Sabihin ko kapag sure na sa ultrasound. Just for fun.